Hi, I'm Arnab. I'm here to give a quick tour about how you can collect multiple feedbacks and create linear issues with Always linear integration. So, to get started with, all you need to do is to go to the workspace settings in your Olvy workspace, and you need to click on the integrations menu, and then there will be line item called linear. In my case, I've already connected my linear workspace as well as my Olvy workspace together. But in your case, you'll be able to see a button like setup. So it's just one click and couple of permissions that you need to give, and that's it. So now I'll show you how linear integration basically works. So in I'll just quickly go to the feedback sections over here, and there are like two feedback that are quite related to each other. They're actually related to each other, right? So in this both of the cases, they are basically asking for multiple language support in all these release notes. So what I'll do is I'll quickly go and select them, like, because these are like two feedback that are talking about the specific thing. um, and there's this option called create issue, which would come in the bottom bar over here. So once I click over there, in this case, I want to just give the title called multiple language support. Now if you go in the feedback section, you will be able to see all the feedback that have been attached over there has been part of this creation flow. So now always syncs seamlessly with linear. It works exactly like how the status in linear would work, and how the status that we have given over here, it works similarly. So if you want to keep your feedback in the backlog, it will take you to the backlog in linear as well. If you want to keep it in progress, you can quickly keep it in progress as well. But in my case, I'll just quickly keep it in to do, right? And then so now linear fetches the data, basically gives us the data that what all the teams that are basically created in linear. It also shows here, so it's a seamless integration again. So in my case, currently I'll just add Olvy dash feedback as the team, because this is what I created for the demo. And there you can also attach projects, but in this case I don't have a project inside that particular team. So but again, you can fetch those projects as well, and if you want to assign these feedback to that particular project, you can do that as well, right? So what I'll do is I'll quickly go and create this issue. Right, so this is done and the issue has been created. So what I'll do is I'll quickly go here, and you can see that this ticket or this issue inside linear is also being created. So now if I go inside, it has already given me a unique link with the issue, so I as an engineer would be able to go and see all the specific details about how about the whole feedback, what kind of customers or users are getting affected by this. So now I will say, as an engineering team, I'll just go and mark it as done, right? And in Olvy as well, if I go to issues, it will automatically update the status of this, and it will say the status is also done over here. So in this case, you can now go and notify your users directly, or create a release note out of this feedback that you have gotten over here. So this is how the linear issue basically, or the linear integration basically works with Olvy. It's seamless. It works exactly like how linear would work, and hope to see some feedback from you folks.